Welcome back, and I am cleaning in the kitchen today. It is the only part that I will be cleaning in this video. Instead of doing my normal stuff, let's jump right into it. I was super excited to film this next section, so I really hope that you guys appreciate it as much as I did. Hello everybody, and welcome back. Today I am out and about playing around in my hometown. So this is the bridge that you have to enter in order to get to the town. I've always kind of thought, to me as a child, it's always looked like Golden Gate Bridge. I'm such a lucky girl to have all of these wonderful things right in my own backyard. I mean, seriously, check out those mountains. They're absolutely beautiful, especially with the sun just like radiating off of them. And then when I come back around, I'll show you the lake, and you can see how it's actually like showing off the lake. It's just absolutely phenomenal. And then right now I just entered into where that bridge is, and the blue sky. I loved this day. It was just beautiful, just phenomenal. These shots were taken of different sections of the lake where I live.
Such a lucky girl. Have all this in my backyard.
I would really love to hear in the comments below the answer. So on this day, it was kind of hard to film. So I sat down and I tried to put my life together by writing down some goals for the month. I did actually wind up losing my light, because if you look at the background, it's pretty bright. So towards the end, it does get dark. I apologize. I'm showing you guys my goal book. It's the book that I use to write down all of my goals. I did have to clip it because I had goals in it. It was gifted to me by a friend who had colored in it, and I wanted to show that artwork. So I'm showing that the page is blank and that I will start writing my goals on that page, and I'm using my pencil bag. I'm not exactly sure why I chose the pencil bag, but maybe it's because it's creepy, who knows. A bunch of eyeballs staring at me all the time. I'm choosing the color that I'm going to use to write my goals with. As I do, I thought it would be kind of cool to show how unique these pens are, as they are double-sided. One has a writing tool and the other side is chiseled. I did take the time to look at old goals that I had written in this book. So I'm not sure what everybody feels, but I think keeping up on your goals is definitely a good idea. And like that, with some movie magic, I get my goals written out, and I briefly show you guys just before the light decides to dim out. Please stay tuned for the message at the end. There are some pretty important things coming up. And as always, thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. In the meantime, have a lovely week.